We're at the Cleveland Public Library, which is hosting a special exhibit in honor of the 125th anniversary of the Cuyahoga County Soldiers and Sailors Monument. In this case, we have an original Civil War period greatcoat that was owned by William Abel, a member of the 23rd Ohio Volunteer Infantry. Also in this case is included his discharge papers and personal photos of himself and his wife, together with the original lithograph of 1892 that showed what the monument would look like, which was dedicated on July 4th, 1894. In 1901, the city of Cleveland was host to the 35th National Encampment of the Grand Army of the Republic, the General Veterans Organization of Civil War veterans. In this case, we have an original 1880s uniform together with the membership medal of the Grand Army of the Republic. In the small display cases, we have several artifacts that did belong to our veterans who attended the 1901 reunion. They include the souvenir medal in the form of the monument. The badge below is of the host committee for the gentleman who was in charge of the accommodations for the veterans, together with the souvenir ribbon of that reunion. The photograph is a reproduction of one of the original photographs taken during that period and shows the extent of the visitation during this period. And finally, we have a reproduction of one of the more colorful posters of the Grand Army of the Republic that features their three major ideals: fraternity, loyalty, and charity. The written record of the Cuyahoga County Soldiers and Sailors Monument consists of 4 documents. The first is the original history written in 1894 by William Gleason, then president of the Cuyahoga County Soldiers and Sailors Monument. A few years later, we produced the dedication booklet that's a 36-page on the explanation of the physical symbolism of the monument. It wouldn't be until 2003 when the next major article was written by William Stark, the archivist of the monument, who focused on the legal battles that nearly stopped us from building the monument. And finally, in 2019, we have published a brand new history called Honoring Their Memory. It was published by Lauren Piccini, an architectural historian, who did a wonderful job of bringing up our history to the present day. A major accomplishment during the 125th anniversary year of the Soldiers and Sailors Monument was the formal addition of 107 names to our Roll of Honor. These names are for gentlemen who served in the United States colored troops during the American Civil War. The addition of these names shows the monument's commitment to continue researching our history and continuing to perpetuate into perpetuity the memory of those men from our county who served in the American Civil War.